nothing like getting up in the morning and like just grabbing your camera stuff and getting the heck out of the house and going and trying to go shoot something. So the short film that I'm working on I wanted to take advantage of this snowstorm. So I'm driving down to a park that is literally down the street, so I don't have to go too far to get what I would like to get. I'm gonna pretty much start setting up my equipment while I'm in here, and thankfully nobody else is over here. And I'm going to, okay, I got my coffee with me to stay warm and get energized. I'm testing out this new Zhiyun light. But yeah, there's a certain aesthetic that I'm trying to work with. I try to pack as light as I possibly could. I'm gonna try to stay under the pavilion as much as possible to get some of the B-roll shots, to get some of the establishing shots, because it's snowing so much that I would just get covered in snow. And I already plan on being in the film, which would get me covered in snow. So I'm just gonna jump into this. I brought DaVinci. We like to name our vehicles just because it's a fun, quirky thing, and we decided to name this one DaVinci because it was an adventurous vehicle. And what do you know? I'm taking DaVinci on an adventure today. Alright, I think I might have to take this down. Went ahead and tossed this light up. But what I'm going to do is focus on the establishing shots first. But look at, got a covered Ziploc bag so they will get damaged. But I do know that I don't need it for right now. I'm going to work on the easier shots first. I forgot to bring my tripod. I packed everything else, but I forgot that. So I've been putting this little camera rig to work, and now I'm using it as like a tabletop to get some of these shots. Oh, I'm still recording. Man, it's cold. The last two types of shots that I want to capture while I'm out here, I have a couple of shots. I'm gonna bury my old camera in the snow. I got a little shovel, a tiny shovel for plants. I'm gonna use that to scoop a bunch of snow on. So I'm gonna get that together. Then I also need to go out into the field, way out yonder, and get some really wide open shots with me standing way in the background. Hopefully that'll be all I need for today. At least for this morning. I may end up having to wait until the evening time to get some more snow shots, because the light idea that I had is not working. For one, it's just too bright, but the snow is just not picking up in the camera as well as I want it to. All right, I had to take an intermission, sit in the car, get my hands warmed back up, get my old camera. This is what is that? Fujifilm FinePix. This was like my first like DSLR-esque camera from way back in the day. I'm gonna bury it in the snow today. So what I want to do, I think I'm gonna focus on getting this first because it'll take some time prepping. And then I'm gonna get some more shots with me as a subject. I need some more dynamic shots to work with, just to make sure I have more than what I actually need for the end result of the film. Gosh, this is weird doing this to my camera, but just like that. I'm gonna dump a bunch of snow on top of it. Yeah. Oh, goodness me, oh my. Alright, so I had the vehicle running while I was shooting the last few shots, just to make sure I had a nice toasty vehicle to get back into. My feet, my toes are freaking cold, my hands are freaking cold. But once I regrouped, once I took my little break, reassessed my shot list so I wouldn't like miss anything, I got everything that I wanted to get in this location, and I feel good about it. I feel good about having gotten what I got. Enjoy the day with my family since everybody's, the whole town is shut down. Come back out and just do some snow stuff with Ray. Later on, I do have to try to get some shots of the snow. I want to try to look at. I don't know. There's a certain visual that I need that would be helpful, and that's getting some really like warm lighting to go to like contrast the snow. So I'm gonna work on that later tonight.